Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to delete the note now. Open the Notes app and go straight to the folder that contains the item. If it's synced with iCloud or another account, make sure you're online so changes propagate. From the list view, swipe left on the note you want and tap Delete. This moves the note into Recently Deleted. Once done, you'll have removed it from your active notes, but it's not gone permanently yet. That next step is crucial. Now you'll remove multiple notes efficiently. Open the folder, tap Edit in the corner, then tap each note to select it. You can also use Select All for a full clear-out. Tap Delete to move every selected note into Recently Deleted. This batching saves time compared with swiping one by one. Make sure you actually want them removed from the active folder because once moved, they'll remain in Recently Deleted for up to 30 days before automatic permanent removal. Finish by permanently deleting the notes so they cannot be restored. Go to Recently Deleted, tap Edit, select the notes or tap Delete all to remove them right away. For a single note, open it and choose Delete. That permanently erases it instead of waiting 30 days. If the note was synced, make sure your iCloud or account sync is active so the permanent deletion propagates to other devices. If notes reappear, check account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.